What's going on, everybody? It's your boy for the sake hashtag Coins. Before I start this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, stay up to date with all my motherfucking videos. Follow me on all my social media, will be in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get to the review. Well, not really review. Let's go to the technical analysis on AMC. And this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some motherfucker talking about some AMC stock, all right? So take my video with a grain of salt. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Yada, yada, yada. Let's get to the video or text data, all right? We have short interest at 19%, which is down negative 1.53. No big deal there. 19% is extremely high still, all right? Extremely high. Utilization is at 92.38%. We have days to cover, which is 1 full day for all of the shorts, all of the shares on loan to cover their position or to close out their position. It would take a full day, all right, which is extremely high, and that's based on the average volume. All right, so shares on loan is almost at 120 million shares. And that's pretty much all we got here is for Ortex data. We didn't sell at 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We're not selling this shit, all right? We are not selling. I'm not selling. Are you fucking selling? I'm not fucking selling. I'm pretty sure you're not selling either. And since retail owns 80% of the free float, that pretty much means most of us are apes and we're not selling, all right? So let's go ahead and look at the technical analysis. And without further ado, let's look at the TA. This is over the course of since August 20th. This is representing, see, I drew this box. This is respecting the ascending level of support. It is not broken underneath it, so it is still respecting that ascending level of support. And as you can see, actually, we have enough room for it to actually pull back slightly. I can actually see tomorrow or Thursday, or tomorrow or Friday, pulling back into the 45 to 46 range before we, in fact, blast through that resistance at 48.50 and break out of this kind of box we're in. If you look at the RSI, we're actually in a neutral standpoint, meaning it's not bullish, it's not bearish. The CCI is actually a little bit in the overbought territory, meaning we can actually see somewhat of a sell-off or sideways trading tomorrow. And if you look at the histogram, it's kind of in a undetermined territory. It's not really going red or green. It's kind of turning green a little bit, but that doesn't mean it can't turn back red. So it's kind of an undetermined territory as far as the MACD and the histogram. And if you're looking at the VWAP, it actually closed a little bit below the VWAP, which is actually a bearish territory. So in the short term, meaning tomorrow and Friday, I can actually see this retesting that ascending level of support, possibly pulling back into the 45, 46 range. But don't worry, this is not over yet. This is not over, all right? This is still in a bullish trend. It just does have a little bit of a bearish sentiment for tomorrow and the upcoming Friday. That doesn't mean that it won't be. It could possibly go parabolic tomorrow. This is just my take. This is just my opinion and what I'm seeing here on the charts, all right? So if I'm wrong, it is what it is. This is just me looking at the technicals, trying to see where it's going, all right? So recap, I think tomorrow going into Thursday, we're either going to see some sideways trading for the CCI to kind of cool off and the RSI to kind of cool off and everything to kind of come together. I think tomorrow will either be sideways or possibly test that ascending level of support, meaning to test probably around the 45 to 46 range before we actually retest that top resistance level, which is 48.50, 49 range. All right, so if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but don't worry. If we see a little bit of a pullback, this is pretty much what I'm going to see is going to happen, and it is what it is. If it does happen, I'm still bullish on this. I think Friday we actually retest that 50 and possibly break through, or maybe even Monday. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like this voiceover. Kind of experimenting with TA and kind of just giving my thoughts on AMC stock and everything like that. So if you guys are interested in more videos like this, make sure you guys give a video a like, thumbs up. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. Hopefully you guys like this video. We are bullish. Nobody's selling this fucking thing. I'm extremely bullish in the long term, but the TA looks a little bit bearish for tomorrow coming into Thursday. So we will see. And other than that, that's all I got to say about this video. And other than that, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media. It will be in the description box below. And other than that, we're progressing and never regressing. And other than that, I'll check you guys later.